Hello guys, welcome back to another video in Advanced Python Tutorials. If you had already learned Python, then definitely you will enjoy this video series guys. In this video series, we had already discussed about few amazing programs like how to convert speech into text and also how to convert text into speech. The link of this playlist is available in description. In this video, I am going to show how to open any websites in Google Chrome using Python. Okay guys, without wasting time, I am opening my Visual Studio Code now. First of all, we must import a required module known as web browser. I am importing web browser module using import keyword. Import web browser. To open any kind of website, we must use open method from web browser module. So web browser dot open entire website in this open method, and I am running this program now. Okay, you can see here it has opened Google website, but it's opening in Microsoft Edge browser, but I want to open in Google Chrome. So let's check out this, how to open any websites in Google Chrome using web browser module. I am opening my Chrome browser and I am just searching for that. Okay, I am searching here how to open Google Chrome using web browser module. I am opening this Stack Overflow website here and I am searching for a better answer. Here you can see that in case of Windows, the path uses Unix style path, so make the backslash into forward slashes. Okay, I am just copying this one and I am removing this line and I am pasting here. Here in this web browser module, they are using get method to get the current path of Google Chrome present in your system. If you are using 64-bit operating system, then there is no problem for you. If you are using 32-bit operating system, then you must remove this into 86. Then only it will work for you guys. And then after getting the path from our system, we are opening this website. Now I am running this program again. You can see here this time we opened our Google Chrome. Okay guys, we will make a small program here. First of all, I am taking input from user. I am declaring a variable named as cmd, which will take input in a string from user, and I am entering text. Enter any number, and before taking input I want to give specific values for specific numbers. I am using a print statement to say user to enter 1 to open WhatsApp, and 2 to open Facebook, 3 to open YouTube, and 4 to open GitHub, 5 to open personal website, 6 to open my personal YouTube channel, and 7 to open my Instagram. And I am taking input from user now, and then I am using simple if else conditions here. If 1 in cmd, or else you can use this also. If cmd is equal to 1, I am opening this Google Chrome and I am copying this line once again. I have created a notepad.txt file for website. For WhatsApp, this is the website. I am just pasting this website here, and then I am using now elif. Elif cmd is equal to 2. I am pasting this command again. We must open Facebook. For that I am copying link of Facebook from this txt file. Elif cmd equal to 3. For 3, it must open YouTube. I am copying the link of YouTube from this txt file again, and I am changing this link here. Elif cmd equal to 4. If it's 4, then I am just copying this once again. If the command given is 4, then it must open GitHub. I am copying the link of GitHub from here, and I am replacing this YouTube with GitHub. And then I am using again elif condition. Elif cmd equal to 5. For 5, it should open my personal website. Actually, this is the link of my personal website. I am copying this link here, and I am copying this one also, changing this link of this GitHub to my personal website link. Now again I am using another elif condition. elif cmd equal to 6. I am copying these two lines. If cmd is equal to 6, it must open my YouTube channel. I am copying link of my YouTube channel from here. I am replacing this link with my YouTube channel link, and then again I am using elif condition. Elif cmd equal to 7. I am just copying this one again, and for 7 it should open Instagram. I am opening my txt. I am copying the link of Instagram from here, and I am replacing this YouTube link with Instagram link. If user had entered any other numbers, else print invalid option chosen. That's all guys. First of all, I am importing web browser module, and then I am printing a statement which will say enter 1 to open WhatsApp, 2 to open Facebook, 3 to open YouTube, 4 to open GitHub, 5 to open my personal website, 6 to open my YouTube channel, and 7 to open Instagram. Then I am taking input from user using input method, and then if the given input is equal to 1, then it should open WhatsApp. I am opening WhatsApp through web browser get method. I am getting the path of our Chrome executable file, and then I am opening this WhatsApp website. If the command is 2, then it will open Facebook. If the command is 3, then it will open YouTube. If the command is 4, then it will open GitHub. If the command is 5, it will open my personal website. If the command is 6, it will open my personal YouTube channel. If the command is 7, it will open Instagram. Else, if user had entered any other number, it will just say invalid option chosen. Now I am running this program. You can see here in this program, enter 1 for WhatsApp, 2 for Facebook, and now I am just trying 5 first. I have entered 5. Okay guys, you can see here it has opened my personal website. If I am rerunning this program once again, and for this time I am trying with number 3. You can see here it is opening YouTube. Now I am rerunning this program, and now I am entering number 6. You can see my YouTube channel has opened. Okay guys, that's all in this video. We had seen how to use web browser module and how to open any kind of websites in Google Chrome, and we had just coded a simple program which will take command from user, and according to that command it will open websites. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you guys.